guys, so starting the video off today, I did do a couple things to my Supra. In the last video I mentioned, I actually did end up finding some final edition rims, and I got the same tires on as my last stock wheels, so still on the all seasons. I tried to find the Super Sports again, like the factory wheels for what the car came with. As you can see, I also did the Toyota Supra. Like, it's a little dirty. I just cleaned it. I have noticed with the matte black, it is pretty hard to keep clean. So that's some like either tire dressing spray or from the other one, when I'm cleaning the wheels. I think it's just tire dressing residue though. But yeah, the car's really clean right now. I cleaned it yesterday, so it's still shining. You can see right here, you can see that flake. Really nice. As I said before, I still have like the spoiler, the little duck bill. Still kind of iffy on it. I'm kind of liking this look right now. I might put a spoiler, because it's just 3M, so it's not really hard to take on and off, but it is super annoying getting that residue off the 3M, so. But, yep, everything's pretty much the same. These tips are still pretty good. I'm not really interested in any exhaust or anything, because I do live in a state where it's really hard to pass emissions and everything for that. But yeah, the black just looks insane. Like, it might not pick up on camera, but like when I first got it, it is so crazy. Like, it looks so nice. This is like what the car needed. So bad. I didn't like the chrome really at all. It kind of grew on me, but the how can you say no to final edition rims? And I pretty much sold my stock rims to buy these rims, and I'm pretty much down $50. So I paid $11.50 for these final editions, and I sold my stocks for $11. So I would say that is an insane deal. But yeah, this car it's crazy now. Obviously, I would like to get a splitter, but that's where I live. I actually bent a rim here with a pothole, so I do not want to rip off my whole front bumper by hitting a pothole by accident. Even though I am pretty attentive when I drive, as everybody should with a Supra. But yeah, tire tread's still pretty good. I got these at 12,000 miles. We're currently almost at 29,000 miles. So yeah, not pretty good. Maybe another 10 or 15 on these, and see what the bank account's looking like, and then we can do something else, or we sit on this car for another year or two. I'm not sure. So far on maintenance schedule, nothing has happened to the car, knock on wood. Just oil changes. I did do, I want to say I did 1 or 2 alignments on it already. Mount balanced. It's pretty good. Maybe if I can do some editing, I can take a screenshot of everything I paid for my Supra so far, because I have documented it. but you know, still clean. There is some things that I want to buy a touch-up pen for. One of them being on the passenger door. You can see right here that is chipped, and right here this is also chipped, and that's been chipped since I got it, and that has been chipped since I got it. Other than that, the car is pretty good. Gonna try to post this video today, Friday. But yeah, let me know if you guys think I should go with the carbon fiber duckbill spoiler right there. I don't know. It does stick up a little bit more, and you can see it in the rear view. You know, you can already see that in the rear view. So, but yeah. I was thinking about doing M caps for the mirror caps, but you know, it's really whatever at this point. But yeah, here is the car, almost 30,000 miles, nothing but oil changes, and just, you know, a couple mods. Car's been great. You know, it is a 2019 build for a 2020. You know, if you're discouraged to buy a 2020 because you see all the things on the forums, don't. Because obviously, you know, if you take care of the car's going to take care of you. You know, the only thing that's really a big problem for the 2020s is the oil pump. And, you know, that's why I'm, you know, good on startups, you know, let it idle down. Every 4,000 miles, I'm getting an oil change with GR Supra oil or GR oil. Yeah, everything's good maintenance wise. You know, see where we're looking. I might do the transmission flush and all that other stuff around 40,000 miles, but we'll see at that during that time. It's gonna probably be another 6 months, and I'll probably update you guys on that. But yeah, here's the car. Not sure what else to really post on here. It's kind of my like documentation on the car. There's only like 2 or 3 in my area that I've seen a black Supra. And now mine's got the final edition. So cool, man. Those wheels are so cool. The brake caliper just ties it all together. I'm sorry, like I'm so surprised that passed on the 2020s, that it didn't have any stickers or anything, just a blank red canvas. That's just wild to me how 2020 passed that, and they were like, yeah, just ship it out. But yeah, here's the car, guys. Once again, final. Nothing else inside the car. Still got 20% tint on it. And yeah, that's about it. Everything's still holding up well. Yes, sir.